Heading out to meet Aaron to go camping on motorcycles. Pinewood Reservoir. Should be fun. Looks like rain, but we'll be okay. Getting up here at the 7-Eleven. There you go. Sir. Yeah, here we go. All right, I follow you.
Just an old and weary cowboy at the end of the trail, his worn and weathered holster hanging on a rusty nail. Hold up inside a bunker, no horses in the snow.
What didn't you think of? Oh, water. Yeah, no problem. That's why I bought 2 liters.
And death is come call. It was getting close to midnight when he heard the rider's horse.
There he goes.
And the sound of hollow footsteps on the gangplank of the porch. Breathless for a moment, not knowing what's in store. In the darkness, out of nowhere, a shadow at the door. They'd been sitting at the table.
And I have the reservation in my tank bag, so I need to, you know, when we get up to the park, I need to get ahead of you and show them the reservation.
I figured you was coming when I felt the cold winds blow.
Gatehouse closed. Use automated pay station for daily entrance permits. Great. Yeah.
I bet you don't remember, but you crossed my path before. You took my wife and child over to the other shore. It was back in '67 on the Kansas fevered plains. You'll never make me say it, but you know I know your name. The stranger nodded slowly as the cowboy told him more. I've seen disease and hunger and the casualties of war. 600,000 soldiers never made it.
No, huh? What? Oh, well, I'll see it on the video because I was recording, but a little scary there, huh? Would you hit your brake and? Yeah. Oh.
The cave-in at the coal mine that killed a dozen men. It buried my kid brother, and I saw you once again.
Yay! Yeah, it's tracking.
Outside the bunkhouse window, the moon was laying low. As Death sat back and listened
Sure.
to the tale the cowboy told. But
Be careful on the gravel.
underneath the table, where the villain couldn't see, the cowboy pulled the hammer back on the gun between his knees.
There she is.
Then our hero leaned in closer and he whispered, "Don't you see? I always knew the day would come when you would call on me. Someday I'll meet my maker, but I ain't ready yet." And with those words, the cowboy up and shot the demon dead. somewhere in the desert, in a shallow, unmarked grave. The place they call Death Valley, where the shadow has no shade. The cowboy turned the tables, and he made his getaway. He took the Phantom's horse and boots, and then he rode away.
Well, we got water and firewood. I couldn't carry the firewood, so I have to come back after we get to camp. Connected. Maybe we'll see some deer tonight, huh? And some turkeys. Well, my bike says it's 86 degrees. Yeah, now it's 84. It's probably because the engine heat, you know, while we were parked. That's with the neon. Yeah. Yeah, she's turning in here, so okay, I'm on my way. Oh, there's 2 more deer down in the trees. Supposed to have a mile range. Well, here we are. Glad we made it. Fishing. Bit by bugs. Alright, here we go. Cooking up some din din tonight. Yeah, so poop, lost my drone.
R.I.P.
Well, maybe I can make it up if I get some fish tonight. Corn, steak, mushrooms, zucchini. Should be good. All right. Meal set for a king, I guess. Need any more salt and pepper or anything. I think I'm good. Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for keeping us safe. I pray that you would bless this food to our bodies. Keep us safe tonight. Have a good night's sleep and a safe and wonderful trip tomorrow. Oh, going behind the hill. There he is up on the road. She. Nice.
All right.
Well, it's a good day. Ride up was pretty good. Is this your first motorcycle camping for you, right?
This is my first overnight motorcycle trip ever.
nice, nice. Saw some deer, no fish. Can't find the avs on the radio.
No.
But the fire's good.
It's quiet up here.
No turkeys gobbling.
And a really nice day weather-wise.
Yeah.
You know, it could have been pretty hot, but the clouds lingered and then it got warm for a second, but
It was a little bit warm when we were not moving, you know. But
yeah, fun here. It's a fun little road coming out.
yeah. Sleep good tonight.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's a dog howling.
Dog house, right?
There's Pete.